Hello students, in the previous periods which I have taken on Zoom, in these periods, the second chapter Pythagoras theorem, so many points we have studied. The points, those are Pythagoras triplet, 30, 60, 90 degree and 45, 45, 90 degree types of triangles, similarity in right angled triangle, theorem of geometric mean, Pythagoras theorem, application of Pythagoras theorem and Apollonius theorem. These points we have learnt and various examples and solutions we have taken. You have already solved about this chapter's examples, but today we have to see. In yesterday's Zoom period, we have taken Apollonius theorem and applications of Pythagoras theorem. So now we have to learn about, or we have to solve the examples which are based on Apollonius theorem. So we can see now, you can see now on the screen, that is, when we solve the examples based on Apollonius theorem, we again revise what is meant by Apollonius theorem. You can see the figure which is taken on the screen. Triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to side BC. If AE is the median for the triangle ABC, so BE equal to EC, that we can see. So the Apollonius theorem says that the equation which is formed by Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square, that is equal to twice of A square plus twice of BE square. Now application of Pythagoras theorem, that is we can see here in triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, if angle B is an acute angle, so this triangle is an acute angled triangle, we can write the theorem or application with the help of this acute angled triangle. AB square equal to A square plus B square minus 2BE into DE. Like this we can write the application of Pythagoras theorem in acute angle. Now we can see here in obtuse angle triangle, that is triangle AEC, we can see on the screen in the figure. So AC square equal to A square plus EC square plus 2 multiplied by EC multiplied by DE. I have already explained about this. So we have to see now the examples which are based on Apollonius theorem. I have selected so many, it is so easy. So I have selected only 4 examples for this. With the help of this, you can solve so many examples which are given in the textbook also. The first example I have selected, that is practice set number 2.2, fourth number example. Now in this figure, we can easily see in triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of side BC. If AB square plus AC square, it is given 290 centimeter square. The median AM, it is given 8 centimeter. Find BC. So in this example, we have to find BC, it means base. Solution is given here in triangle ABC. If M is the midpoint of BC, by Apollonius theorem, you can write AB square plus AC square, that is equal to twice of BM square. You can see here the figure. By Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square twice BM square plus twice AM square. 290, the value it is given. So we can put here equal to 2PM square plus 2 into 8 square, that is 64. So by the calculation, we can see here the example, it converts BC square 290 equal to 2 into 1 upon 4, square of the 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 4, BC square plus 128 If we subtract 128 from 290, we get 162. And if 1 upon 2 BC square, that 2 on the left hand side, it converts into multiplication sign. So 324 is the value for the BC square, and so if we take square root for this, so BC equal to 18. Now you can see here the second example, problem set number 2, example number 6. We can see here figure triangle ABC and P is the midpoint of side BC. So here we have to calculate the value of AP. How we can use here the Pythagoras Apollonius theorem? We can see here AB square plus AC square equal to twice of AP square plus twice of BP square. BP square, it means BP is the half of BC. It is half of BC because P is the midpoint of side BC. So here we can write P is the midpoint. So BP equal to PC, which is half of BC. Which is half of BC. So BP equal to 9. Now we can solve this example like this. 260, that is equal to twice of AP square plus 2 into 9 square. That will convert into 81. So by the calculation, 162 subtracted from 260, we get 98 divided by 2. AP square equal to 49. So AP equal to 7 when we take square root of this 49. The third example I have selected, that is problem set number 2, 17 number example. We can see here figure and the values those are shown in the figure. PQ equal to 40, PR equal to 42, PM equal to 29. So we have to calculate in this example again the base QR. The condition which is in the first example we have solved, the fourth example. Again repeated that condition here. Again PQ square plus PR square, that is equal to 2PM square plus 2QM square, that is half of QR. So we can use here Apollonius theorem like this. 40 square plus 42 square, the values those are given. We can put here plus 2 into 29 square plus 2 into QM square. Square of this 40, that is 1600 plus 1764. Like this we can solve this example. So the total addition of these two, 3364 subtracted 1682, 1682 subtracted from this. So we get the value QM square, that is 841. 841. So taking square root of this 841, we get the value QM equal to 29. Now the next example, that is again from problem set number 2, 18th number example. It is just like same as the 6th example. So here are the values, those are shown in the figure. In ABC triangle, AC equal to 34, AB equal to 22, the base BC, it is given 24. So we can solve this example like this. M is the midpoint of side BC. So we can write CM equal to BM, that is equal to half of BC. So when the value of BC, it is given 24, half of BC, it means 12. So CM, BM, those are equal to 12. Again Apollonius theorem, we can write here AC square plus AB square. It means those sides of the triangles, square of sum of the squares of these sides equal to 2AM square plus 2CM square. So 1156 plus 484, the addition is 1640 equal to 2AM square plus 288. Subtracted from 1640, we get the value 1352. When we divide by 2, we get 676. So taking square root of this, AM equal to 26. These 4 examples I have taken. Now you can solve the examples based on Apollonius theorem. If any queries, you can ask me. Thank you students. Thank you very much.